Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to link your YouTube channel to your Roblox profile. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Alright, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now once you're in here, tap on the URL box. Now type in roblox.com. Once done, just hit on enter. Now after that, go ahead and go to the top right and click on the gear icon. Okay, just click on it and hit on settings. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, make sure that you are under the account info tab. Okay. Once that's done, go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find social networks. And under that, we have YouTube. So the next step would be is to open up another tab. Now go ahead and go to youtube.com, hit on enter. And once that's done, go ahead and go to your YouTube account right here at the top right. Now click on view your profile or view your account. Now once you're in here, just click on the URL box, right click on it and hit on copy. Once done, go back to Roblox, right click on the YouTube box, hit on paste, and here we have our YouTube link. All right, once that's done, just hit on save. It says here saved successfully, just hit on OK. And once done, you're good to go. That's basically how you do it. As you can see here, we have the YouTube linked right here under our profile. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.